This is my partner on here. This is Ganda Lara. This is Sheena. This is Golden Asisa. Tita Cora, Lindsay, Jumbo, and Toby Bills. Let's go sa upunan lang sa nila. Starting with Ganda Lara.
Hi, DJ Kara. Mapapakinggan niyo po every lunchtime, 12 noon to 3 p.m. sa Hot Stories na Energy FM 106.7.
Alam ko naman na nag-iisang pabebot na si Sheena. Mapapakinggan niyo tuwing alas 3 ng hapon hanggang alas 6 ng gabi.
Ako po nag-isang girlfriend mo sa radio. My name is Lindsay. Siyempre, 8 hanggang 11 po in the morning. Ihip ng ihap.
Good evening po, ako po si Jimbo. Makapakinggan niyo mga alas 3 ng hapon. Hanggang alas 6 ng Jimbo po. Atin po yan sa hapon.
Ano ko naman po ang baby boy po ng radyo. My name is Baby Toby. Siyempre, mapapakinggan niyo po ako mula alas 5 hanggang alas 8 po ng umaga para sa programang Tell Toby in the morning. Thank you po.
Hi, ako po si Tita Cora. At ako naman po si Kapitana Sisa at kami ang Paglita sa Mapapakinggan niyo po every 11 a.m. to 12 noon sa Energy at Monday to Friday po yan. And of course, our station manager, our boss,
Sa Jackson po. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners for tonight. And now let us all welcome Horizon Digital Management artist, YouTuber, and lifestyle content creator, Joy Asuncion, with the singer-theater actor, Impamino, to announce the second set of winners in the music category.
Hello everyone, the VP Choice Awards for Opium Song of the Year Award goes to original Filipino music, Opium Track, that has become the people's favorite and has achieved popularity on both radio and online streaming platforms, resonating deeply with the hearts of Filipinos.
The nominees are Ere by Juan Carlos, Raining in Manila by Lola Moore, Bad by Denise Julia featuring Pilo, Gusto by Zach Tabudlo featuring Al James, Eme by Moira De La Torre, Situationship by Janine Berdino.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Eme by Mora De La Torre, Contact Artist, and Papa Jack.
The VP Choice Award goes to Carjack Arrest of Ganda Gala and Michael Jackson. Congratulations!
Dumaan na talaga. Bilisan natin magtanong.
Are you excited to work with me?
Hey, thank you very much. Saya. Thank you very much po. To win a podcast award is a new venture kasi we never really thought we'd venture out from radio. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Lalo na po yung mga Carjack fans na talagang dugo tayo sa kanya.
Sumayaw nung sa Pilipinas.
Thank you very much.
Salamat. Congrats.
Thank you. Are you excited to work with Catherine? Dito lang. Sino ko naman? Ayun lang. Ay, parang signature. Yes po. Thank you. Ma'am, yan na yan.
Opo, bukas po ng alas 8 pero galing muna ako ng taking dito lang sa Los Baños. Tapos diretso akong MOA.
Alden, are you excited to work with Kat ngayon sa Hello Vlog again?
Yes, of course naman.
Thank you po. Congrats, Alden!
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I think this is my second award for VP Choice Awards and yung first time po yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for tonight, I really made it possible po to come here. To thank, of course, most especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. We'd like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups and a Romance, si Julia Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Direk Irene Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And buhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you so much.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Station of the Year award goes to the people's favorite TV network that consistently offers high-quality news and entertainment shows that consistently ranks among viewers' favorites.
The nominees are GMA Network, TV5, Net25, A2Z, GTV, and VTV.
And the VP Choice Award goes to GMA Network. We'd like to call on Alden Richards to receive the award on behalf of GMA Network. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po for this award on behalf po of GMA and the concept this award.